The natural world is a breathtaking spectacle of diversity. From the towering redwoods to the microscopic bacteria teeming within the soil, life on Earth exists in a dazzling array of forms. To make sense of this intricate web of life, biologists have developed systems of classification. Much like a librarian organizes books, this organizational framework allows us to understand the relationships between different organisms and appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things. Imagine trying to navigate a vast library without a cataloging system. Books would be scattered haphazardly, making it nearly impossible to find what you're looking for. Similarly, without a system of biological classification, the study of life would be a chaotic and overwhelming endeavor. Biological classification provides a framework for organizing and categorizing organisms based on shared characteristics. This systematic approach enables scientists to communicate effectively about different species, study evolutionary relationships, and identify new and unknown organisms. By grouping organisms based on their similarities and differences, we can begin to unravel the mysteries of life's evolutionary journey. Just as a well-organized library makes knowledge accessible, biological classification unlocks the secrets of the natural world, allowing us to appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things. By understanding the relationships between different species, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the intricate web of life. In the 18th century, Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus developed the first widely accepted system of biological classification. Linnaeus's system, known as the two-kingdom classification, divided all living organisms into two broad categories: plantae, plants, and animalia, animals. This simple system reflected the understanding of life at the time, based largely on observable characteristics. Plants, with their ability to produce their own food through photosynthesis, were easily distinguished from animals, which obtained nourishment by consuming other organisms. Linnaeus's system provided a useful framework for categorizing the macroscopic world, but as scientific knowledge advanced, its limitations became increasingly apparent. The discovery of microorganisms such as bacteria and protists challenged the clear-cut boundaries of Linnaeus's two kingdoms. These microscopic organisms possessed characteristics that did not fit neatly into either the plant or animal category. For example, some microorganisms were motile like animals, but also possessed chlorophyll and could photosynthesize like plants. Furthermore, Linnaeus's system did not account for the fundamental differences in cellular structure between different organisms. The development of the microscope revealed that some organisms, such as bacteria, lacked a true nucleus, while others, including plants and animals, possessed a well-defined nucleus within their cells. In 1969, American ecologist Robert Whittaker proposed a five-kingdom system of classification that addressed the limitations of Linnaeus's two-kingdom system. Whittaker's system, which is widely accepted today, classifies organisms based on their cellular structure, mode of nutrition, and level of organization. The five kingdoms proposed by Whittaker are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Monera includes all prokaryotic organisms, which are single-celled organisms that lack a true nucleus, and other membrane-bound organelles. Bacteria, the most well-known prokaryotes, play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, decomposition, and disease. Protista encompasses a wide range of eukaryotic organisms that do not fit neatly into the other kingdoms. Protists include single-celled algae, amoebas, and slime molds. While some protists are photosynthetic, others obtain nutrients through absorption or ingestion. Fungi includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms that obtain nutrients through absorption. Fungi play a vital role in ecosystems as decomposers, breaking down dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the environment. Plantae includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms that are photosynthetic autotrophs. Plants possess chlorophyll, which allows them to capture light energy and convert it into chemical energy in the form of sugars. Animalia includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms that are heterotrophic, meaning they obtain nutrients by consuming other organisms. Animals exhibit a wide range of adaptations for movement, sensory perception, and behavior. Whittaker's five-kingdom system revolutionized our understanding of the diversity of life and provided a more accurate and comprehensive framework for classifying living organisms. This system recognizes the fundamental differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells and acknowledges the ecological importance of microorganisms. The kingdom Monera encompasses the smallest and most abundant organisms on Earth, prokaryotes. These single-celled wonders, invisible to the naked eye, play a fundamental role in sustaining life on our planet. From the nitrogen-fixing bacteria that enrich our soils to the microorganisms that inhabit our gut, prokaryotes are essential to the cycling of nutrients, the breakdown of organic matter, and the maintenance of ecological balance. Prokaryotes are characterized by their simple cellular structure, lacking the membrane-bound organelles found in eukaryotic cells. Their genetic material in the form of DNA is not enclosed within a nucleus but exists as a single circular chromosome located in the cytoplasm. This simplicity, however, belies their remarkable metabolic diversity and adaptability. Within the kingdom Monera, two major groups are recognized archaebacteria and eubacteria. Archaebacteria, often found in extreme environments such as hot springs, salt lakes, and acidic bogs, possess unique biochemical pathways and cell wall structures that distinguish them from eubacteria. Eubacteria, the more familiar group, encompass a vast array of bacteria, including those involved in decomposition, nitrogen fixation, and disease. The discovery of archaebacteria revolutionized our understanding of the early evolution of life. These extremophiles, thriving in conditions thought to be inhospitable to life, provide a glimpse into the early Earth where life first emerged. Their unique characteristics suggest that they may represent a separate line of evolutionary descent from eubacteria.